Right, Ian, I'd like to talk about your bike, Moody Blue.
Moody Blue. Okay, Moody Blue. I've known the bike since about 1978. It was built by a good friend of mine, Dave Archer. The history with the bike, it's a 1955 Triumph 500 Speed Twin. The story goes it started life as a police bike and has spent most of the rest of its life being chased by them. It's actually, the bike was bought in 78 by a good friend who stripped it right down. He owned it for 17 years. It's had lots of modifications on it, including the frame has been shortened by 2.5 inches. All of the brazes on the frame have been unbrazed, repicked, all the joints strengthened and rebrazed. The engine, it has a one-off head. Triumph made 5 heads apparently to fit the 500 Speed Twin. The following year they brought out the Bonneville and they scrapped the heads. There's only 5 heads made. They all went in the bin. This head was pulled out. So it's the only one that we know of in existence. It's got a one-piece crank in it, Bonneville conrods and Cosworth pistons. It's belt drive. The crank and the gearbox was shortened to actually enable the chain case to make it as narrow as it could so that it actually had the ground clearance. She's got a 4 leading shoe Grameca front brake, Acron front and rear rims, conical rear hub. The tank is an ex-race tank. It's a baffled aluminium race tank. The seat and the oil tank, unbelievably, were handmade out of a fridge door, an aluminium fridge door, because it was the only materials that were available at the time.
Not stock, not taken from any race components. Not taken from anything.
No, it was built by hand. So a lot of love and attention went into this. About 20 grand over 17 years, and the bike disappeared in 95 when my mate had to sell it to fund a house project. And we often wondered what happened to it. And last year, 2021, it came out. It just came out of the woodwork. Apparently, it spent 20 odd years in a barn, so it had to come home. So it now lives in East Sussex, where it was built.
But you're in touch with the owner, the original owner of the builder? I'm in touch with the owner. Yeah, the owner lives in Brighton. He's absolutely just gobsmacked to find his baby again. And so, yeah, it's here to stay now. And we know that you've ridden this bike here today because you actually were behind me.
Yeah.
So, just talking about it, it's quite loud, isn't it?
It is pretty loud. Yeah.
It's on the road now, and it's like a bit of history now come back.
Yeah, it's just lovely to have it back. It really is. To me, it's a part of my youth. And to be able to ride it now it means quite a lot, to be fair.
And this will stay in your ownership now?
Yeah. This is not going anywhere ever. It's there for good.
Really nice to see it and to hear it as well.
Yeah, and we're going to keep her as she is now, which is as original as Dave made it. There are bits around it that you think, we could clean this up or change a bit of chrome work, but no.
You would lose that patina. You would lose that history.
It's only going to be like this once, and so it's going to stay like this. Just kept in good running order, that's all.
Well, thanks, Ian. Thanks for talking about your bike,
Thanks for
bringing Moody Blue along.
Wonderful, thank you.
Great to see. Thank you.